One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 buffalo bulls. So far just myself and Ephraim. I didn't have anyone else was making their way, but we're the only 2 vehicles that are close by. Copy. Oh, and there's more elephants coming down to drink. So the lions are just to our I want to just work out north, probably almost due north of us, and they're heading down towards the inlet where the buffalo are. So we'll keep watching the elephants and whatnot now. Ephraim, who's with the lions, so he's just asked me to stand by here at the dam. It wouldn't be incredible if we've seen now elephant, buffalo and leopard at Buffelshoek Dam, and there's a very strong possibility we're going to add lions to that as well, and all in one morning. So this is a different herd to the one we saw earlier. Coming down from the opposite side. Oh, thirsty Ellies. Copy, thanks. Yeah, standing by, we've got about 8 dugout boys, 2 right in that first inlet on the western side, and there's also Ndlovu on the eastern side drinking. And only 1 hippo today, but I can see there might be another 1 or 2. I love that sound. See how the Ellie's there. Ooh. Oh, that little one's got a floppy ear. Those floppy ears are normally from cartilage damage, or sometimes just a birth defect. Just keep a check out behind you, the lions are going to arrive. You see another vehicle yet? I'm just going to go back slightly so I can have a look up the road for when the lions arrive, so I know where to position. Just want to see if we can see any lions yet. Probably, how far are they from the Mighty? Alright, copy. There's two Dagger boys in that trench line. I might move down and position myself opposite those Dagger boys. Okay, so we're not gonna. It sounds like they've gone into this drainage line that's directly behind those two buffalo bulls we can see there. So what we're gonna do is we'll keep watching the elephants, but we're gonna move ourselves into a position down here where if we do, we're in the right spot. So we're going to just stand by right here. If you just pan to the left here quickly, Alex, I can explain why we parked here. So you see those two buffalo bulls. So Ephraim's also come around to join me because he thinks those lions are going to come down behind those two buffalo bulls there. So we're just going to stand by here. We'll keep watching the elephants and what else is going on here. We just want to get ourselves in the best possible position in case something does go down. Get all the camera settings right. So while you guys watch the elephants, I'm keeping a close look behind those buffalo. See if I just spot a cat appearing. Okay, let's go to the left. Those two young bulls are going to play. There's another herd arriving as well. You hear all the greeting. Oh, and there's more coming we can hear from a distance. Info? Udazangala lambile. Is it Nkuhuma's? So I just heard it is the Nkuhuma pride, and apparently they're very, very hungry. Okay.
And those two my daughter, big ones.
Who? Mark. So we've got another herd arriving. Good morning, Janet. Welcome on Drive from us, all the way from sunny California. Janet would like to know, wow, there is a third herd of elephants on its way down. Sorry, Janet, back to your question. The reason we normally only see old bulls in this area is because the breeding herds move quite extensive. We saw a breeding herd a couple of days ago, probably 4 or 5 days ago, of about 100 with babies and females and whatnot. But they keep moving. And these old bulls, what they do is they get sort of beyond breeding age, and then they will stay around areas where it's very easy for them to find food and water. Amazing how many ellies coming down. One's having a good scratch against the tree. Oh, that's... Just let Mark know Craig's decided to come to this position now, so I'm going to call him in his first standby. So he'll be first standby. Negative, he's closer than Mark. Craig is going to move in. Mark will become first standby. Andrew, come back. Just stand by, I'll tell you exactly. She was in the block between Inyala Road North and Hyena Road. Probably on best access Inyala Road North, 200 meters from Buffalo's Hook Dam. She was lying up in a thicket about 70 meters to the northwest of the road. Go ahead. Okay, Mark. Probably 250 meters south from Buffalo's Hook Dam, off Inyala Road North. 70 meters west or northwest into the block, right on the edge of that drainage line that flows out of Buffalo's Hook Dam. It was very, very thick in there. From the visual of the Zingala. Negative, I was just asking if you had visual of them yet. Copy, thanks. Look at the little one climbing the steep bank. Copy. I'm going to come join you when the 1 cent level move away. This little boy looks like he's going to come show us how big and strong he is, just because he can. He might rush up to the vehicle and give a trumpet. Big, scary. So big and scary. Yes, you're very impressive. Oh, there's another herd that's arrived that we didn't see directly behind us. So we now have to keep very still again. It's one thing a young bull shaking his head at you, it's different when there's a cow. Oh, there's another herd arriving on the other side. It's just elephant central at the moment. I don't know if they can smell the lions, and that's why they're getting a bit uppity. I'm just going to move before I get completely cornered by them. Don't want to get stuck between the dam and a steep bank and elephants, so we'd rather put ourselves in a better position. You can see those elephants are new here, they haven't drunk yet. Maybe they prefer drinking on this side. They're deciding. Okay. Oh, something. Alright. One herd's chasing the other herd. It's absolute pandemonium here. So that female there just chased off the other female. So very thirsty. So they're drinking exactly where we were parked. So guys, the lions have laid down, so we're just going to go have a look where they are. And since the elephants have pushed us out of that spot, we're going to go see the lions, and maybe they will get moving shortly. They might have heard all this elephant commotion and thought, yo, maybe it's a bad idea to go down to the dam at the moment, because the elephants will chase the lions if they see them.